तो हम ना इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलिंग बहुत टाइम बाद कर रहे हैं, पर मुझे इस बार इतना अजीब लग रहा है क्योंकि पूरा एयरपोर्ट खाली है। मतलब सच में हम ही हैं, खाली हम हैं, और ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं हम। अब लोग कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं क्या? हाय गाइस, तो हम लोग लैंड होने वाले हैं और बड़े पक गए क्योंकि इस फ्लाइट में कोई नहीं था, टीवी नहीं था, तो इतना बोर हो रहे। और मेरी बहन मुझे देख रही, gotta do what you gotta do, और लोग भी पीछे मुझे देख रहे हैं, मजे आ रहे हैं। Yes, now put your mask. So finally we are here after thousands of corona tests. We're finally here and we stayed at this beautiful place called JW Marcus Hotel. It's one of the tallest building and the view is just amazing. So first day was quite chill. We went to this Dubai mall which is really grand and big. Also we had this cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. My friend suggested it. If you are ever in Dubai, do not miss that. So this place was just outside Dubai Mall and it's really pretty. It's like the best thing you can see in Dubai. There only this beautiful fountain show which happens after every few hours and it's just magical. So during this time only there's this beautiful light show which happens on the world tallest building, Burj Khalifa, and it's beautiful. I mean, you can grab a popcorn and just watch this forever. Here this place is quite lit. They have pubs, clubs and cafes all around. Also the coming clip will show you why I'm not in the video because there's literally no one to shoot me. So next day we went to this thrilling desert safari. झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, बहुत डर लगा because they give you this natural roller coaster vibe in a car. ATV in desert is pure fun. It was the best thing we did and और हम बहुत बार गिरने की स्थिति में थे लेकिन हम लोग बच गए. We are very proud. Then there was this desert show which was sexy, belly dancing and much more. It was the most much awaited experience and I was literally waiting to go up there in Burj Khalifa. Now look at this, okay? This lift is not normal. It's one of the world's fastest lift. So inside this lift, everything around us were like LED screens and they showed us beautiful graphics and it was so interesting and I zoomed into this because I wanted to show the speed of the lift which is so fast. I mean, coming up here is one of the experience. I think you should never miss this if you go to Dubai. So this particular day was very busy because we had to see 3 different places in one day. And this was my favorite. It was Miracle Garden and it was beautiful. Everything around us, the colors, they're not colors, they're flowers. And there were castles made up of flowers. Baby me would be so happy coming here because everything was like this fairy-like and beautiful and flowers around. We then ended the day with Global Village and this is the most happening place in Dubai. It have like those rides and sections where each and every country is selling their own things and I mean it's like a Disneyland. It's a different kind of a Disneyland but the vibe is same and हमने सबसे ज़्यादा शॉपिंग इधर से ही करी है और यहाँ का खाना भी बहुत स्पेशल और ऐसे बहुत टेस्टी है पर बहुत पैर दुखते हैं क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा है ये बहुत हमने पूरा कवर नहीं कर पाए. So this day we were super excited, super pumped because we're gonna go to Atlantis to stay there. But I was excited for the water park. I mean, it's the biggest water park, and we didn't have fun for this whole year because this lockdown, and I was really thrilled to go inside. So, this is what the main lobby looked like. I know most of the people don't know, but Atlantis do have a biggest aquarium in Dubai. I mean, somewhere the whole hotel is covered with aquarium. It sounds crazy. Plus, there are like activities in the aquarium. Like there are sharks in the aquarium. So there was one shark walk where you can go and have a walk with sharks. I know I'm sounding crazy, but no, it's true. So this was our room, and just look at the view. Isn't this perfect? I mean, perfect. Take 2 of recording whole room. This is what I do, and make so many different types of videos in this. And none of the video come out to be perfect. So yeah, we were just chilling, walking in hotel. So there was like a big water park, and we dedicated one whole day to the water park. I couldn't record much, but there's like a small clip. Okay, let's come back to the best part. Food. I don't want to say anything, just look at the food. And then look at the desserts. I ate so much and I gained so much, but I enjoyed every bit of it. People who know me knows how much I love sweets. I mean, I cannot live without sweet, even like a single day. I almost tried everything, लेकिन एक पॉइंट के बाद शर्म आ जाती है ना कि मतलब सब ले लोगे क्या. We are coming to the end of the video and also end of my trip. I am so happy if you watched it till now. Thank you so much for watching this. I tried capturing a few of the best moments of the Dubai trip and also recommending you few places. If you ever go there, do visit places which I mentioned. They are really nice. Hope you have a good day ahead. Bye. Thank you. Also, for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, that is @__chika. Thank you.